Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thought I'd jump on here today because I want to show you guys what I've literally purchased in the last month. So if you guys want to see my haul, keep on watching. First visit, I went to go pick up some stuff for my makeup kit. For those who don't know, I am a qualified makeup artist and it is a peak wedding season at the moment. So products that I am going to show you, I actually have already been using just because they were like top ups for my kit. I purchased another Well lip liner from MAC. I actually bought two, the other one's in my kit. I can't be bothered taking it out. But Well lip liner is definitely one of the lip liners I use so much in my makeup kit and also on myself as well. But I just love it because it's a really beautiful neutral brown and I love using this to like overline the lids. Moving along, I purchased some more KOSAS concealer because this girl is obsessed. It's extremely hydrating and I love how it doesn't crease that much under the eyes. So I picked up the shade 03W and 3.5W. So I just have these two for my makeup kit and I also got like a backup one that I use for myself. So next up, I purchased a few foundation. My girlfriend who works at Mecca really recommended me to try Ella's Fast. And I actually haven't heard of her stuff until, yeah, my friend recommended it to me and I was like, oh my god, why haven't I gotten to this foundation sooner? This is actually what I'm wearing today and I just love it because it is extremely silky, blends so easily on the skin and it gives you that really nice hydrating look. It's a medium buildable foundation and I love it because, I don't know, it just makes my skin look so flawless. I picked up two shades. I got S14NO and this one is an S16WG. So they're a little bit more on the tanner shade just because this is a pretty expensive foundation. So I thought I would just wear it when I am going out, and usually if I'm going out I'm like fake tan using self tanner. The foundation I also picked up is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. So my girlfriend raved about it so I was like, oh, fine, I'm gonna try it. And I've been loving it so much. It is extremely flawless and it lasts well on my skin. Yeah, no complaints. So I just bought one shade just to try out on myself, and then if I really like it, I will possibly buy it for my makeup kit. I grabbed another Hourglass bronzer. I go through these like so much in a year. I just love the formula though. If you haven't tried it out, definitely get onto it. The formula is just so finely milled and easy to blend. So I use this shade quite a lot also in my makeup kit. I like it because it's just a neutral kind of bronzer shade. It's not too warm, so it's quite suitable on a lot of skin tone. Then I've been dying to try this product. I've been seeing it everywhere on Instagram, on TikTok, so I thought I'd grab it. It is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C. It is the eye cream. Yes, bright eye gel cream, and the packaging is super adorable. Like, oh my god, how could you not die over this? Alright, so I am done with the first haul. So I just went and redeemed my voucher today because I actually entered one of Mecca's competition and you win a $500 gift card. All you need to do is like post a video and use a hashtag, and yeah, I won. I never win anything on Instagram or like let alone any competition, raffle tickets, so I was extremely stoked when they said, oh my god, you won. I'm like, what the fuck? First of all, I grabbed some more of the Go-To sheet face mask. Every time I use this, it just feels like my skin has drank like 10 liters of water. I picked up some GISOU products. I've been loving the hair oil spray, and so I thought I'd give these two products a go. It is the honey infused scalp treatment. It is the scalp treatment, honey infused leave-in conditioner. Again, packaging I love the little pink cap. These other couple of products are a little bit boring because I needed another top up for my kit. I also picked up another Hourglass ambient lighting, what is this, brilliant strobe light. I've purchased this so many times. You can use it as an all over powder, but you can see it kind of gives you that really subtle nice sheen. I love using this under the eye, so I have it under the eyes today and it kind of gives you that really nice brightening effect. Next up, I got two products from Stila. I always buy this eyeliner. It is the Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Espresso. Love the coloring of it. It's just perfect. And you can see it does not smudge. This other Stila product is called Stay All Day Graphic Liner in Ballet. I think this is like a new eyeliner that they just came out, and it's like a rose gold. And it's a twist up, and this is the swatch. Oh, that's a bad swatch, but it's like a really nice champagne-y pink. Moving on, I picked up a perfume from Replica called Beach Walk. So the bottle is so cute. I just want to try this first, and if I like it, I'll end up getting the big one. But yeah, I got this perfume. I picked up this NARS blusher set. So in this pack you get a liquid blush, which is a new shade called Behave, and then you've got a blush, like a cream stick blush, and a powder blush as well for $59, which is really good. This is the shade Behave. It's kind of like a peachy pale pink. So pretty. I love. The blush is so cute. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. It's almost like a matte kind of neutral pink. Wind up stick, which is adorable. Lucky last, I grabbed the scented candle from Floral Street, and my girlfriend said it was her favorite candle, so I thought, okay, why not? You sold me. This is how it looks. The packaging is super cute. It smells so nice. I can't wait to light this up tonight. I have my room smelling super pretty. So yeah guys, that is the end of my Mecca haul. If you guys like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I see you guys in the next one. See ya!